Section 6D, Community College of the Air Force. 6.17, Community College of the Air Force Program. The U.S. Air Force has always recognized the positive effects of education on Air Force personnel and continually established various programs to meet the needs of the Air Force, its airmen, and society as a whole. One of the most notable programs is the Community College of the Air Force, CCAF. Legacy. The CCAF was activated in 1972 to gain academic recognition for formal technical training conducted by Air Force schools. By the mid-1970s, many civilian consultants reported that CCAF standards exceeded the minimum requirements of civilian community college associate degree programs, and the Air Force sought degree-granting authority from Congress. President Gerald R. Ford signed Public Law 94-361 on 14 July 1976, authorizing the Commander of Air Training Command, currently Air Education and Training Command, to confer the Associate of Applied Science degree. The Commander of Air Education and Training Command remained CCAF's degree-granting authority until 28 October 2004. On that date, degree-granting authority changed to the Commander of Air University when President George W. Bush signed the fiscal year 2005 National Defense Authorization Act. The CCAF Administrative Center is located at Maxwell Air Force Base Gunter, Annex, Alabama. It is one of several federally chartered degree-granting institutions. However, it is the only community college system within the Department of Defense and two-year institution exclusively serving enlisted personnel. Over the years, the college has grown both in numbers and recognition as the largest multi-campus community college system in the world. Today, more than 6,500 CCAF faculty deliver more than 2,000 credit-awarding courses at 111 affiliated school campuses worldwide to 270,000 students. Each year, more than 1.6 million semester hours of collegiate credit are earned in CCAF classrooms. More than 1 million official transcripts have been issued in the past 10 years. Since its first degree in 1977, more than 530,000 CCAF Associate of Applied Science degrees have been issued. Mission. The mission of the CCAF is to offer and award job-related Associate in Applied Science degrees and other academic credentials that enhance mission readiness, contribute to recruiting, assist in retention, and support the career transitions and professional growth of the Air Force Enlisted Corps. CCAF awards the Associate in Applied Science degree to Total Force Enlisted Airmen. The college offers 71 Associated of Applied Science degree programs in 4 broad career groups: 1. Operations, 2. Logistics, 3. Medical, and 4. Support. Accreditation. The Department of Education defines accreditation as the recognition that an institution maintains standards requisite for its graduates to gain admission to other reputable institutions of higher learning or to achieve credentials for professional practice. The goal of accreditation is to ensure that education provided by institutions of higher learning meets acceptable standards. In the United States, an institution's accreditation is a major method for students, government officials, employers, and academic institutions to know that an institution provides quality education. There are primarily 2 types of institutional accreditation: regional and national. There are significant pros and cons associated with both. Therefore, airmen should consider the type of accreditation a college holds before enrolling. Today, the CCAF is regionally accredited through Air University by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools Commission on Colleges. Associate in Applied Science degree. Associate degrees earned in professional, technical, or terminal programs are frequently called Associate of Applied Science degrees. The educational standard for the Associate in Applied Science degree is designed for students who plan to seek employment based on the competencies and skills attained through these programs and to offer the academic, technical, and professional knowledge and skills required for job acquisition, retention, and advancement. While not designed to meet the needs of students who transfer to a 4-year institution, portions of these programs often do so. The CCAF offers and awards the Associate in Applied Science degree through a combination of collegiate credit earned through completed formal technical training courses delivered at CCAF-affiliated schools and general education courses completed at accredited civilian colleges or credit by examination. Since enlisted airmen are constantly relocating in performance of their duties, the CCAF provides a means of completing degree requirements regardless of location of assignment. Enlisted airmen are automatically registered in the CCAF Associate of Applied Science degree program designed for their Air Force specialty near their completion of basic military training. To graduate, students must complete the 64 semester-hour academic requirements, hold at least the Journeyman 5 skill level or equivalent, and have a minimum of 16 semester hours of CCAF residency credit applied. Residency is institutional credit or credit earned in a CCAF credit awarding course. Table 6.1 specifies the educational requirements for the typical CCAF Associate of Applied Science degree and the semester hour requirements in each subject area. Collegiate credit. The CCAF awards collegiate academic credit for degree-applicable courses delivered at affiliated military schools. The college does accept credit in transfer from accredited colleges to be applied towards specific degree program requirements. General education courses accepted in transfer must meet Southern Association of Colleges and School Commission on Colleges standards and CCAF in transfer policy. Students may also earn CCAF collegiate credit for specific national professional credentials, licensure, or certification that are approved by the college to satisfy applicable degree program, technical education, and program elective requirements. Courses that are delivered at schools not affiliated with CCAF or by non-CCAF faculty are not certified by CCAF and are not awarded CCAF academic credit. The CCAF General Catalog provides policy information concerning acceptance of civilian courses in transfer and professional credentialing credit for application towards specific degree programs. CCAF Online Services. CCAF Online Services provides enlisted airmen with timely and accurate academic information pertaining to CCAF Associate of Applied Science degree program progression. This web-based resource is accessible from the Air Force Virtual Education Center for Airmen to view their CCAF academic record, order official CCAF transcripts, and view or print unofficial CCAF transcripts. Air University Associate to Baccalaureate Cooperative Program. The Air University Associate to Baccalaureate Cooperative AU-ABC program links CCAF Associate of Applied Science degree programs to regionally or nationally accredited four-year colleges and universities that provide online bachelor degree opportunities to CCAF graduates. Each AU-ABC degree program is linked to one or more CCAF Associate of Applied Science degrees. To participate in the AU-ABC program, airmen must be currently serving in the regular Air Force Reserves, or Air National Guard. Once enrolled, the airman may continue degree completion requirements after retirement or separation. Professional credentialing programs. Just like higher education, professional credentialing is an important element of force development as it provides up-to-date, industry-recognized credentials in an airman's Air Force occupation, offers credentialing programs that assist enlisted airmen in broadening their professional development, and directly support the mission of the CCAF in that credentialing of enlisted airmen enhances combat readiness, contributes to recruiting and retention, and supports career transitions. To support documentary evidence of training, skills, and practical experience, airmen are highly encouraged to maintain records of all previous and current education, training, and qualifications. Additional information is available at http://www.airuniversity.af.mil/barnes/CCAF/. Air Force Airframe and Power Plant Certification Program. CCAF offers the Air Force Airframe and Power Plant (A&P) certification program for aircraft maintenance technicians in specific Air Force specialties to streamline and improve the Federal Aviation Administration FAA A&P certification process for airmen. The program is designed to bridge gaps between Air Force formal technical training and experiences and FAA certification eligibility requirements. Upon successful completion of the program, the CCAF provides airmen with the necessary documents to meet FAA eligibility and authorization to take the A&P exams, eliminating the FAA Flight Standards District Office pre-authorization process. The program benefits the Air Force by broadening the skill sets and professional development of Air Force technicians, producing a more rounded and diverse aircraft maintenance professional. Agreements with the FAA allow Air Force testing sites to administer FAA certification knowledge tests to eligible airmen free of charge to all who are eligible. CCAF Instructional Systems Development ISD certification. CCAF offers the Instructional Systems Development Certification Program for qualified curriculum writers and managers formally assigned to CCAF-affiliated schools to develop and manage CCAF degree-applicable courses. This certificate program provides a professional credential that validates the education and training required to develop and manage CCAF collegiate-level courses and the practical experience gained in planning, developing, implementing, and managing instructional systems. CCAF Instructor Certification. CCAF offers the CCAF Instructor Certification Program to qualified instructors assigned to affiliated schools to teach CCAF degree-applicable courses. This certificate program provides a professional credential that validates the instructor's extensive faculty development training, education, qualification, and practical teaching experience required to teach a CCAF collegiate-level course. The program consists of 3 specific levels of achievement and is offered to qualified officer, enlisted, civilian, and other service instructors. Professional Manager Certification. The Professional Manager Certification Program is offered to qualified senior non-commissioned officers. This certificate program provides a professional credential that validates advanced levels of education and experience in leadership and management, as well as professional accomplishments. The program provides a structured professional development track that supplements enlisted professional military education and the Career Field Education and Training Plan for career progression. Air Force Credentialing Opportunities Online. Air Force Credentialing Opportunities Online AF-COOL is a total force enlisted program, which includes all enlisted Air Force specialties. The program provides funding for Air Force specialty applicable credentials to airmen on Title 10 or Title 32 502F active duty orders. The program funds a maximum of $4,500 during the airman's career, which pays for the exams, preparation courses, books, study materials, administrative fees, and recertification fees necessary to maintain the credential. The CCAF manages AF-COOL, which aligns Air Force specialties with civilian industry professional credentials, certification, and licensure. Alignment is based on evaluation and analysis of formal specialty-related technical training and occupational skills at the Journeyman 5 skill level and industry credentials and requirements. To determine eligibility for AF-COOL funding approval, visit https://avvec.langley.af.mil/AFVEC/public/cool/default.ASPX. The AF-COOL program website also contains additional information about civilian industry credentialing, eligibility requirements, and resources to prepare for the exams, credentials relevant to Air Force specialties, filling gaps between Air Force technical training, experiences, and credentialing requirements, obtaining AF-COOL funding to pay for credentialing exams, preparatory courses, study materials, associated fees, and recertification, and civilian occupational equivalencies and job opportunities.